They're going to check out a roundabout that's being made and see what kind of work they're doing here. There's a curb and gutter putting in. A lot of debris, concrete, material, fill that needs to be put in replacement of the dirt and sod that they removed. Needs to be finished. Concrete removed. See what kind of work they do here. Grading and resodding, getting rid of all these rocks that are left behind, which they'll probably won't do much with. I don't know if this is going to be fixed or left like that for the homeowner to fix. Sign installation all crooked. Looks like they use the cheapest aluminum they could find to put these signs in. See how long it lasts. First storm it'll be on the ground. This one's real loose. Looks like they just stuck it in there. It's wobbling all over the place. Somebody miscalculated this. I guess they'll fill it in with asphalt. Another loose U-channel. Looks like they're ready to fall down. Pole boxes need some work. Street lights, pole boxes. Looks like it was just thrown in there. Debris scattered everywhere. Sidewalk not closed. Somebody walk to the end and fall over. Safety hazard. There used to be two bus stops here. One going east and one going west. Now with the turnaround, I don't know if the buses will be able to go around there or they're going to have to move the bus route to another location. More fill and debris, rubble. Concrete pile they need to clean up. There's a steep curb towards the shoulder with black asphalt that they laid here. I hope they fill that in, because if somebody's tires go on that curve there, they might go up into the edge of the curve, because it's a slope that it has on that black asphalt. A lot of restoring that they're going to have to do to the next to the sidewalk here. Put new sod. It's on the other side of the street, looks like, going towards the roundabout. Roundabout looks like. And there's still a lot of work on the roadway. Neighbor's mailbox. Hopefully they'll upright it so it's straight again and not leave it like that. I removed all of these from the roadway where the driveway was and just left it. And I don't know what the owner's going to do with that. Another homeowner whose blocks from the driveway they removed, and I don't know how long those will stay there. Hopefully they'll resod what they disturbed. And another issue, homeowners are complaining that trash cans are not being emptied for weeks, with the excuse that the roads are closed probably. Buses needs to take another road because they can't come through to where the normal bus stop is.